Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Located along the banks of the South Thompson River, the small community of Pritchard sits within a wide valley shaped by water, grasslands, and surrounding hills. Positioned between Chase and Kamloops, Pritchard offers a quiet rural setting with open views and a landscape that reflects the transition between forested regions and the drier interior of British Columbia. The river remains a defining feature, flowing steadily through the valley as it has for thousands of years. Long before European settlement, this area was part of the traditional territory of the Secwepemc people. The river served as a vital transportation route and a reliable source of food, with salmon runs playing an important role in sustaining communities. The surrounding land provided opportunities for hunting, gathering, and seasonal movement, creating a strong and lasting connection between people and the natural environment. The community of Pritchard began to develop in the late 1800s as settlers moved into the Thompson Valley during a period of expansion across the province. The construction of the Canadian Pacific Railway in the 1880s followed the path of the river, linking small settlements like Pritchard to larger centers and markets. This connection helped support agriculture and ranching, which became important parts of the local economy. Over time, farming and ranching shaped the landscape, with open fields and grazing land becoming a common sight along the valley. The relatively dry climate and wide-open terrain distinguish this area from the more heavily forested parts of British Columbia. Today, Pritchard remains a quiet and sparsely populated community. The South Thompson continues to flow through the valley, offering opportunities for fishing, boating, and wildlife viewing. With its blend of natural beauty, agricultural history, and enduring connection to the river, Pritchard provides a glimpse into the rural character of British Columbia's interior.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.